Hi everyone, what's up and welcome back to my fitness channel. Today's video is going to be kind of like a cook with me. Right now we are about to, if you can see right there, get to cooking because I'm hungry and I wanted to share with you guys this awesome recipe. And then after I eat and digest it and everything, sorry the lighting's weird, but after I eat and all that, we're gonna go grocery shopping. I don't want to go grocery shopping when I'm hungry, so I figured we could cook and then go grocery shopping a little bit later for some upcoming recipes that I have to try. So that's what today's video is going to be, a little cook with me plus grocery shopping haul. Hope you guys are excited. Make sure to subscribe here if you guys aren't, because I upload mostly eating videos, but I'm gonna get into more like fitness related content soon, so that way you guys can see that side of weight loss as well. But I am all about living a healthy life, so make sure to subscribe here if you guys aren't already. And if you guys aren't subscribed to my main channel, it's called Molly's Life. I'll have it linked down below. Make sure to go do that, and also check out my boyfriend's channel if you're into fitness. He has a fitness channel as well. It's called Fabo Fitness, so I'll leave that down below too. And enough with the spiel, let's get into cooking because your girl is hungry. All right, so I laid out all of the ingredients. First thing I have right here is just some baby white potatoes, and I already prepped these because these are gonna have to go into the oven first. Not gonna show too much of the prep on this because you guys have seen me make these so many times and it's so simple. You literally just cut them up into little quarters, put them in a pan with a little bit of olive oil. You could use spray or regular olive oil at 425 for about 30 minutes. They will be perfect. You can season them if you want to with salt and pepper or Goya seasoning, whatever you please. It's really simple. I'm out of breath. Okay, now that that's over, I'm gonna go through all the ingredients for the actual main part of the recipe. So I have right here, Fab actually picked these out, but these are good. It's just an original flatbread. You can use it for a pizza if you wanted to, or you could use it for a wrap, which is what I'm gonna do today. 7 grams of protein, high in fiber. These are perfect, 90 calories a piece. Love it. Right here I have some iceberg lettuce. You guys know how I feel about banana peppers, especially the hot ones. Lately they have just been everything to me. I have some fresh mushrooms, a green pepper, onion, zucchini, squash. This is zesty Italian, totally optional. And another optional item is feta cheese. So this could definitely be a vegan meal depending on what dressing and if you don't want to have cheese or not. So this is definitely a good plant-based option. To be honest with you guys, my mom is actually the one who showed me this recipe and it's so good and I haven't made it in so long. And I was talking to her yesterday, I was like, I don't know what to make for my channel, like what kind of recipe I should do. And she was like, you should make the veggie bake that we do and put it in a wrap. And I was like, you are so smart, mom. So shout out to my mom for helping me come up with today's recipe idea. But we gotta get to chopping up these veggies, so let's do it. Alright, I just finished cutting up all the veggies. So we got the pepper, the onion, the squash, and the zucchini. It only took me about 8 minutes, so it really doesn't take that long, and this is gonna give you so many servings. I also have the mushrooms here, and sometimes I slice these up, so I might end up doing that depending on how big they are once I open this up, but they do shrink down a lot in the oven, so totally an option. But I got no more room on my cutting board, so first thing I'm gonna do is take all these veggies carefully. Don't wanna drop this, that would not be good. And I'm gonna move them all over here, and hopefully I'll be able to fit them all in this little pan. I don't know how this is gonna turn out, but I'm gonna try and fit them all in there like a little jigsaw puzzle. Okay, mushrooms are all washed and cut. Y'all better be washing your veggies. I'm talking to you. If you're watching this, wash your veggies, including your mushrooms, okay? So I'm gonna add the mushrooms in. Somehow it's fitting, you guys. It's a little tight in there, but it's fitting. Don't you hate when your automatic trash can that's voice commanded just opens up for no reason? I don't even use that thing. Anyways, gonna add the mushrooms into this then we'll go on to the next step. Got our next ingredient. I forgot to mention this, but you're gonna need some olive oil. All you have to do is just sprinkle or like pour a little bit over the whole pan. Don't use too much, but also don't use too little because you don't want them to stick to the pan and not get all nice and soft. The good thing about a lot of these veggies, like the squash and the zucchini, is they're water-based. So, you know, when they cook, a lot of water comes out of them. Like when you make zoodles, you know how it gets super watery in the pan? It's kind of like that. Therefore, don't go overboard with the olive oil, but again, don't use too little because you don't want it to all just stick to the pan. So actually now I'm gonna bring the heat down to I'll do 380. I was gonna say 375, but I'll do 380. Even though the potatoes are still in there, you don't want too high of a heat for the veggies, but now you can go ahead and add them in. Let's see if I can do this with one hand. We got the potatoes on the bottom. I really don't want to drop this. And I'm just gonna put these on the top shelf and check back in about 15 minutes to make sure it's not sticking to the pan. Move it around with a spoon a little bit. Maybe we'll season them. And by the way, this is going to make your house smell amazing. Like, just wait. So around 15 minutes later, I took them out, swirled them up a little bit with a spoon. Nothing is sticking, which is perfect. Cannot go without Bay on pretty much everything. So I'm gonna add some of this to them and then put them back in the oven. Oh my gosh. Okay, a little bit later, they are finally done to my liking. At least it honestly could take like 20 minutes depending on what you like. I like them a little bit more crispy, so that's why mine take a little bit longer. But they are steaming and just smelling amazing. So you're gonna want to let these cool down a little bit, but while they cool down, I'm gonna get to prepping. The potatoes are done too, just keeping those in the oven to keep them nice and warm. Now this is the part that I'm not the best at. I'll be honest, I am not good at like prepping wraps. Like wrapping them up is not my specialty, so don't judge me too hard, but we're gonna start the prep process. That way we can assemble this and finally eat. So next up, I'm gonna add in the banana peppers. Oh, I'm so excited. And then just the smallest little bit of Italian dressing over top. Whew, and you're good to go. Well, you're not really good to go because you gotta wrap it up, and this is gonna be interesting because do you see how thick this thing is? This thing is thick. Ooh, y'all, I have no idea what I'm doing. Ooh, this is bad. Ooh, it's breaking. Ooh, I might have to eat it like a mess. I'm using a different type of wrap. Y'all see this? This is why I can't work at Chipotle. I'm gonna attempt to cut this shit. I'm funny. I am funny. And now, lastly on the side, you'll know I made myself some potatoes. They're a little burnt. They're a little extra crispy today, but that's okay. Still gonna taste amazing. Alright, y'all, so here is my finished product. Like I said, this is a sad, sad burrito over here. If you are a professional burrito wrapper or if you have thicker wraps, this will turn out much more beautiful. I'm gonna spare you guys seeing me try and eat this because it's gonna get messy real quick. But it's okay, it's still gonna taste the same. So I'm gonna dig into this. Let me know if you guys make this or if you have any ideas of like what I should add to it. Or if any of you out there have a recommendation of a wrap that is thicker in consistency, let me know that too, because clearly your girl needs help. So I just finished the cleanup process. Look at all the veggies that I have as leftovers for the week. This will last me. I'm gonna add this on top of literally everything that I eat, by the way, because the flavor in this is just out of this world. So definitely make this and let me know what you guys think. I am so obsessed. I literally killed my entire plate. Normally I look on Pinterest for inspiration, but I'm having a crisis because Pinterest is down right now. But don't worry, I still came through and came up with some recipes. I'm trying to cover it because I don't want to give away the whole what I eat in a day, but you guys will see that very soon, probably within the next week. My cats are fighting right now. Literally every time I record, they fight. I need to change. Oh, also, I didn't even mention my eyelashes. Literally just don't look at them, okay? Like, don't look me in the eye because they're so bad. And they won't come off. Like, I just want to get them off at this point, but I can't. Like, I don't know how. So just ignore that. I'm gonna put on another sweatshirt that's a little bit less frumpy than this one, and we're gonna make our way out. I have to stop first at Target and GNC, and then we'll go to Wegmans after that to get our grocery shopping going. Hi guys, so I'm back from the grocery store. I didn't vlog in there because it was like 5:30-ish when I was in there, and that is like prime busy AF time for Wegmans, so excuse that, but I'm back. I have everything laid out. I didn't get too many things. I got a lot of like random things as opposed to essentials. I love watching anybody's grocery haul no matter what it is, so let's get through this. So these right here are little sparkling waters. They have 0 calories in them. I know there's probably some type of additives, but sometimes I crave things that aren't water, like some type of flavor, so I really like these. It's just a kiwi strawberry flavored sparkling water. It tastes so good. For fruits, I got some strawberries, some blueberries, and then I also got over here some grapes. So these are gonna be my fruit choices for the next week or so, or probably like 3 or 4 days, to be honest, because I eat a lot of fruit. You guys know how much, or maybe you don't know, they make regular basmati rice, this brand, and it's so good. It's my like all-time favorite rice. I saw that they had the brown version, so I decided to try that out, especially because I needed brown rice for a recipe coming up that I'm gonna try. I got some eggs. Y'all, I have not had eggs in my house in so long. I've had egg whites, but not eggs, so needed to pick these up. That was like so essential. I got some various yogurts here. So this one, Lulu. Y'all, look at what I have to deal with over here. Why are you in there? Why? Get out. You're making so much noise. Anyways, I got some yogurts. This one just looked so bougie to me, and I feel like if it's this bougie, it has to be good. It's just a vanilla bean plain yogurt. Maybe we'll try that out tonight. And then this is my all-time favorite yogurt, okay? This is like a treat. It's a dessert. There is a little bit of sugar in this, you know, not gonna lie, but it's so good. I've never had any other flavor besides coconut, so don't go trying other flavors and then tell me they're gross, because I've never had the other flavors before. Only the coconut one. The coconut one is the only one I can speak on, and it's amazing. So go try this if you want like a good dessert. This is my weakness late at night. I got some chicken breast. I go through this so fast. I have been craving also hummus for the longest time. If you guys, I'm sorry if you don't have a Wegmans near you, but like most grocery stores have really similar things, but Wegmans makes this hummus. It's just their original hummus. It has chickpeas, sesame seeds, and roasted garlic in the middle, and it's the best hummus ever. So love that. And I also got wheat thins to dip it in. I needed some fire roasted diced tomatoes, so I got those. I got the, I haven't had this in so long, but it's the Laughing Cow Swiss little cheese packets. I don't know why I was craving this, but I was, so I just gave in. Last little odds and ends right here. Fendi is ready to see what they are. I have a red onion right here. I never get red onions, but again, it was in a recipe that I'm gonna try out, so that was kind of needed. I'm kind of nervous because they're like so much more potent, I feel like, than a regular onion, so we'll see how that goes. This right here, I saw these cookies and they were so cute, so I got some. Fab's coming over tonight, so maybe we'll have those, I don't know. I got a fajita seasoning mix. Never tried the fajita one, so wanted to give that a go. And lastly, got myself some chicken broth for some soup. So that is everything in my little mini grocery haul. Just some fun little extra things. If I open up my pantry right now, you guys will see I kind of have like a good amount of stuff in here. I have the bread, I got the wraps, croutons galore. This is a bagel. Oh my goodness. I got multi-grain English muffins. Love those with peanut butter. Oh, so good. K-cups. This is like some chocolates back here. I have popcorn, more granola. This is some protein pancakes. So that's kind of what's in my little pantry area. So I have a good amount of stuff, more oatmeal up there. So this is like the fun grocery shopping for me, where it's just like little odds and ends. There's literally nothing I hate more in the world than having to go to the grocery store and spend like $250 when you need like everything all at once. So lately I've been really trying to like keep up with it and just go and get, you know, little odds and ends here and there, so that way I'm never spending that much money at once, because that's literally my least favorite thing to do ever. But I'm gonna put all this stuff back here away. Wish me luck. I need to go through my fridge and organize it.